Hi everyone. A very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to Spotlight with Suman. My guest for today is from Punjab, a small town called Moga. She's a certified image consultant and a soft skills trainer. She's also a corporate trainer, a grooming and etiquette coach, as well as a founder of Kohli Finishing School. Her name is Bhavdeep Kohli. So let's wait for Bhavdeep's request. Once she connects, we'll start our interaction. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Bhavdeep, you need to send a joining request. Hi Sushma, hi Vishali. Waiting for your request, Bhavdeep. So here we have Bhavdeep who's joining in shortly. Bhavdeep, you joined and you left, so you need to send in a request once again. Hi Bhavdeep.
Hello, yes, ma'am. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm good, ma'am. I'm good. Thank you. There was some technical glitch. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I realized that something happened. You connected and you
Yes,
left
yes,
the
yes, yes.
live
Yes,
session.
ma'am. Yes.
How are you doing?
Yeah, everything going good, ma'am. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to be here with you today. Thank you.
Hi Bhavdeep.
Hello, yes, ma'am. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm good, ma'am. I'm good. Thank you. There was some technical glitch. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I realized that something happened. You connected and you
Yes,
are
yes,
you connected from two different screens?
yes. Yes, ma'am.
Because there is an echo in the sound.
Now I'll just do the meeting. Yeah. Is it okay, ma'am, now? Is it fine?
Yeah, looks better now.
Great. Great. Thank you.
Great. So I just wanted to start with the first question that what really inspired you to become an image consultant out of everything else that you were doing?
Yes. So it happened that I was, I'd gone for my training, for IELTS, for my train the trainer course, I had gone to Delhi. And, while the training was going on, the train the trainer course in IELTS, so one of my friend was there, Saloni, and she referred that, Bhavdeep, you seem to be very confident and very bubbly and enthusiastic girl, and in Punjab, you have a lot of scope of being an image consultant. I said, what is image in consultancy? I'm sorry, I don't know. She said it's a upcoming career, and why don't you choose that? It's made for people like you who are the extroverts one and who love to talk to people, make friends, and I said okay, I would really search for it. And what happened, ma'am? Then I came back to my place in Moga and I searched on Google, and the nearest center was ICBI Chandigarh, and that was the beginning of a I would say I'm very emotional about this also, a beginning of a new career. And I went there and I met the center head and Arun sir, who was heading the institute over there, and I talked to them. But the first instance, what I found was that image consultancy, after seeing all the posters that it was all about fashion or about, grooming, and it was only made for those slim trim girls so they can be into this career. But the more I knew about this course, I came to know, no, it is to be beautiful inside out, and it is all about help
Bhavni,
in the
we've
way.
lost, yeah, we had lost your voice in between. Now it's fine.
Yeah. Oh my
Yeah.
God, I'm sorry, ma'am. So the
Yeah.
way you, so then I realized, the more I may, I realized that this course is all about, being beautiful inside out. It's all about your confidence. It's all about the way you carry yourself. And then I joined my soft skills, and within day I joined my image also, the full course.
Fantastic. So, what were you doing prior to getting into this industry?
Yes. So prior to this, ma'am, I was working as an assistant professor in a college, and I was teaching masters in English. And I was also working as an IELTS trainer. So because Moga, Punjab, so I am based in Moga. It's a small place in a small town in Punjab, and it is a lot of scope for immigration and IELTS, IELTS, that is the International English Language Testing System. So I was also taking care of the IELTS. So before that, I was full fledged into teaching, and now I feel that training, it is just an extension of what I'm doing. It was just an extension of what I already was doing. Yes.
So, you have been an English teacher, right?
Yes. Yes. So I was
Okay.
teaching
And
masters. Yeah.
okay. So, what kind of work have you done as an image consultant, and what are the assignments that you have been undertaking taking during this pandemic? What is the
So
situation of COVID, first of all, in Punjab?
it's better now, but now again, this COVID again is like, again, there's a lot of cases again, the fresh cases which have again started coming. And earlier, it was like all okay, but not better than what was before. But now again, the situation is becoming worse, I
Is it
think.
post Diwali?
Yes, post Diwali. Yes, ma'am. So again, there are a lot of news that COVID is again there, and because people had also, left all those masks and no precautions were taken care. But now again, so those fresh cases are there. Yes. So in the pandemic, again, I believe that there is some good hidden in every worst situation. So pandemic has also has treated me well, I would say. And in this pandemic, I took a lot of assignments, and I took a lot of assignments online during this pandemic. And I introduced a course in public speaking that was called Speak to Lead. And Speak to Lead was a platform, ma'am, where I trained more than 100 students in public speaking. So that was the right time, and I thought, being a trainer, being a soft skill trainer, that was my duty as an image consultant, to empower the young minds with confidence. And I took this as a social cause too, and I trained these young minds in public speaking and organized this competition where there were students from Australia, from US, and of course from India, different parts of India, and they joined. And after this, many people, they started doing these competition and to empower these minds. So it was a good one. I really enjoyed doing this in the pandemic.
So, you have been taking full advantage of the pandemic situation, right?
Yes. So I took advantage also, and I took it as my social responsibility too, that what I can do, because there was a lot of stress in the minds of people, and especially these young minds, they were all worried about this pandemic. So I thought, what I can do. So I said that I have these skills, why not empowering these skills to these minds? And I did it, and it was a great success.
So, tell me something. I have heard a lot that pandemic has really affected people, in terms of their self-esteem, their self-confidence. Has that really impacted you in any way?
I would say no, because I think the greatest, your belief system should be very strong, and you should have that attitude. So I always believe that in every worst situation there is something hidden positive, and I took the most of it, and I tried my best that how I can unleash that potential in me, and I think I did my best. And in this corona pandemic, actually people, they have appreciated me, and just because of this reason, because in this pandemic also they say that you are live and you are doing a lot of Facebooks and Instagram lives, so you are even doing work in this. So I think that was the greatest advantage, and I tried my best to do it, and I you know accomplished whatever I wanted to do. Yes, ma'am.
Great, fantastic. So that's a very good sign, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, Bhavdeep, I
Yes, ma'am.
have heard that a lot of people who have become an image consultant, and we vouch for this because a lot of our consultants come to us and tell us that, this program has been like a life changing experience.
Right.
So for you, how has it helped you personally and professionally by becoming an image consultant or by doing this course? I mean, what kind of benefits have you experienced in your personal life and professional life?
So I would say, that there's a new avatar of Bhavdeep. So what Bhavdeep was there before, and now what Bhavdeep is. So I would say a transformation. Uh, Image consultancy and being an image consultant has given me a new transformation. I would say it's a new avatar. And I think that with this course, I have gained a lot of confidence. I have gained a new you in me, and I have gained all that confidence to empower others, with the same confidence which I have. When I was just I was an educator. I was no doubt I was empowering the people with confidence, in the sense I was training them. But then also there was a call to do something else. There was something missing. But after doing this course in image, you know uh, there's a sea change in me. Earlier I used to think that, because I'm plus size and I'm very fat and I'm this, there should be a lot of body shaming too. But after doing this course, there is a new change in me, and this is that it's not about whether you are slim or you're trim or you're dark or you're fair. It's all about how you carry yourself, and it's all about your attitude. It's all about your confidence. It's all about the right clothing. It's about the right medium. So it's like now I've got empowered with new things and new ideas, and now I'm like transformed, and with etiquette and with the grooming part. So this course of image is a full on package where there's a lot of transformations. So it has happened with me too.
So,
And
although you have answered, yes,
yes, yeah.
yes,
So
continue.
yes, ma'am, I want to add more is that this course in image consultancy, and then the internationally which I did with Judith, this whole package uh, is the one which has made me realize the importance of me as a brand. And I'm very happy and very glad to share with you, because that now in Punjab, when people talk about image, they image consultant, they Bhavdeep Kohli is there in their
Hmm.
mind. So that's all because of this course. It's all because of ICBI. And ICBI has been the best one. I would say that's the reason, when I started, I became a little emotional, because it is one which has given me a new definition of me, my own self.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So, you really think that there has been a lot of difference for you from within,
Yes.
internally?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Great.
there has been a lot, because it is all about inside. It's not because this course, it teaches us that what is image. It is an amalgamation. It's a combination of inside out, and it's not only the outer part but also the inside, which needs to be very strong enough. And in order to project a winning image, we need to be a combination, the inside and out. And that's what's the result of this course. Yeah.
Absolutely. I totally agree with you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, some people feel that image consulting is all about fashion and style. Do you agree with this belief?
Yes, ma'am. I agree that it's about fashion, but it's not the case that it is.
Bhavdeep, are you there?
Yes. Sorry. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes. I'm sorry. Okay. So I agree that it's about fashion, but it is not the case that it is only about fashion. You know, image is image consultancy. This career is not only about fashion, but it is more to it. You know, it is about the confidence. It's about your attitude. It's about your belief. It's about your grooming. It's about etiquette. So yes, fashion is there, no doubt. You know, your appearance and the trends, they matter, but it's also about the inside. So I would say it is a full package, the inside plus the outside, the soft skills plus the appearance, the grooming, and obviously the body language, the etiquette. It's all about that.
I think just to add to that, it's a combination of physical and the psychological aspects, both
Definitely.
put together.
Yes, yes,
Because how you appear also has an impact on how you feel from within.
yes,
So that
yes.
makes a huge amount of difference.
Definitely, yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Okay, so you are running your own finishing school in a town called Moga
Yeah.
in Punjab. So what kind of scope do you see over there, and how is your finishing school shaping up in Punjab? It's called Kohli Finishing School, right?
Yes, fully finishing. Yes. So, after I did
What
this.
kind? How did you derive with this idea? First of all,
Yeah. So after I did this course, and I started with these little, I just started doing sessions, and I started getting work, and I did my platform online, organize the different seminars I used to do, and I used to tell people what I have done. So when I used to tell people in Punjab, and specifically in Moga and nearby, that I'm an image consultant, people used to say, okay, you have a saloon, you are some linked with beauty, some related to this. So I said, no, this is not image. And then I started telling people what is all about, and slowly and steadily they realize that image is something different. It is not only linked with beauty and fashion. It is something related to the inside you, who the person is. And the image consultants are people who wear different hats, and they groom you. They give also talk about etiquette. They also talk about many aspects. So then people started coming to me for the consultancy, and they started coming for the various sessions. And then this idea came up, why not I open my own finishing academy? And then I just launched this Kohli finishing. And this finishing is all about the finishing, the grooming part. So here I have a good amount of students, ma'am. They come to me, and because it's also connected with the IELTS training, the IELTS training. So I do a lot of programs for the students who go abroad. So I train them on a program called Abroad Ready. So where I groom them on their communication, on their, again, body language, on the etiquette, and on the interpersonal skills, and on their appearance. So I give them a whole package, and after they do this course and they go to Canada, Australia, or any of the country, so there also they have to go and work, right? So I groom them with a full package, and this Kohli finishing is really doing well. And it has a good name, and with the grace of God, I get a lot of inquiries that they, for the sessions, or for the different courses, like for interview or for any of the course. So yes, it's gradually it's really progressing. Yes.
and what is the duration of your abroad ready program?
So for abroad ready, it takes 1 month. So for abroad ready, yes. So there are, like, I have different sessions like communication and for the body language. Then I train them up for that, and for the etiquette, or for any of the specific need if they want, like whatever the course they want to go into the foreign country. So I train them accordingly. Like for the interview questions also, how to prepare them for the interview, and how they have to carry themselves. So this is what I do, the short duration courses. Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
fantastic.
yes, ma'am.
So share with us one of your most interesting client experiences, Bhavdeep. I mean, you
Yes,
must have dealt with different clients, and you must
yes,
be
ma'am.
doing some consulting also.
Yes.
So what is that one experience that you will always remember, and most, memorable experiences of your life?
So again, I have a lot of experiences. I would mention two. So one of them was that I had because I've done a lot of trainings for the teachers, for the faculty development workshops. So there was a teacher who, lacked confidence. And when I did a session with them for this brand you, and then, after the session, she was like that, ma'am, I am very educated. I have all the hard skills, I have all the degrees. Yet, the my co teachers, they came after me, and now they are getting good salaries, good perks. I don't have that, that public speaking skill. I don't have that confidence, how to go on the stage and talk. And I have the art skills, but that part is missing. So you kindly help me out for that. And now I remember that she was like, it is 2 hours journey from Moga. So he used to come on weekends here to Moga, and I really worked with her, and she collaborated, and she really did well. And now she is, working as a principal in a school. It's just because of the
Wow.
course. Yeah. So that was an experience that's really close to my heart, that I could, because of this course, because of ICBI, the skills ICBI gave me, the power of education, and the specific, the course which I did from here, I was able to change and transform the life. When the teachers used to, our mentors used to come in the class and used to say that, with this course, you would be able to transform people, and them with the confidence. I used to say, how would I do it? But when I did it, it was a red letter day for me, that yes, I've done it. And another experience was that there was a student, and she was doing her chartered accountancy, and she was very intelligent, very intelligent. Yet she was not able to crack an interview. And again, because of, she lacked confidence. And so I again helped her out, and I had to work with her for at least 2 months. And then, she cracked the interview, and now again she's working with a very great firm. And she thanks me, ki, yes ma'am, it's because of you that I'm able to crack that that interview. So when you see this magic happens, that you are the medium by, that with the help of you, people are able to accomplish whatever the goals they want to achieve. So you really have a, sigh of relief, and you really feel satisfied. I think that's the greatest testimonial. This one.
Absolutely. And I think the best part about being an image consultant and a soft skills trainer is that the rewards are beyond money. I mean, that is something
Definitely.
which is extremely satisfying and it's full of gratitude.
Definitely, yes, ma'am. Definitely. Yes. So one feels
So
a
tell
great,
me,
yes. Yes, ma'am.
has there been any moment in your life where you felt that there is a regret and you would have been better off teaching English to college students rather than becoming an entrepreneur?
No, I don't think so. Never. It has never happened to me. And because, I feel that when I was teaching in college, I was confident, and I was, doing well. But there was a call to do something and else into my life. I had a new chapter to my life, and I started with image, this course in image consultancy. So no regrets. And I feel that whatever I was doing, image is a greater extension of what already I was doing. And no regrets. And I feel very happy and satisfied that. And now, you know what, that after I've done this course, and people read Deep Kohli, image consultant and soft skill trainer, and especially in Punjab, now people say, this Google out, they search out, who is an image consultant and what she does. They check the page. So there is more of, awareness also, yet who image consultant is, what they do. And when they see my kind of work, they say, okay, okay, image consultant does that. Acha, image consultant ye bhi karte hain. Image consultant does that also. So there's more of awareness, and I never regret. I feel happy when people call me up and ask me that, what all things you do, from where you have done the course, and how is it all about. So I feel happy to share all these things.
So tell me, Bhavdeep, you were training and teaching, students for English before you actually got into image consulting.
Yes, ma'am.
So what value have you brought to those people? I'm sure there are a lot of people whom you still teach English, right?
Yes, yes.
So what is the additional value that you bring on the table as an image consultant for those people who want to, learn English from you? I mean, from your institute.
So I think the greatest advantage of now being an image consultant and teaching English to them is that now I know about my own communication. I know about my own body language. I know about all the aspects. So now when I teach them, like for example, when earlier people used to come, the students used to come for an English speaking course to me. I used to be just talking about the grammar part or the syntax or the morphology of it or the phonetics, but now it is the value added is I talk about the communication. I talk about the verbal part, how important is the the body language. I talk about the paraverbal. So earlier I never had any knowledge about it, and I didn't know about it, but now after this course, I have come to know about this, and now I teach them accordingly. So, and this public speaking also is again a new dimension. So now when people come to me for English, these courses, now these are that I teach them and train them from the very first day. I train them on communication, because here people think that there is a difference between communication and this spoken English. So they want spoken English course. Spoken English may what they want grammar. But now they've realized that spoken English is like, again, you need to learn the basics, but yes, you need to learn about the communication, about how to speak in public. So this is, I think, the value which I have added after in this course.
Fantastic. So, is it necessary to be a young, attractive, and a glamorous person to be a part of this profession? Because a lot of people have this myth, and this is definitely a myth. That is why I'm asking you that what do you think from your point of view? I mean, what is a prerequisite to be a part of the image management industry?
So, see, now I am a mother of two kids, and I am in my 40s, and I have done it quite well. And I have, I think with the grace of God, I am now a successful entrepreneur. And I don't think so. I think age is just a number. And it's, if you want to be an image consultant, if you want to be into this line, you need to have that, love. You need to have that passion. That passion is very important, and you need a lot of that attitude should be there, the positive attitude, and again, gratitude and attitude, I would say both. And again, there should be passion. And yes, fashion is important, because you should have your own personal style, you should have your own aura. And I don't think so that it's that if you are young, then only you can become an image consultant. You can become an image consultant at any age. Whenever you think that like now it is the time to do something else, to add a new meaning to my life, to help people, to empower them, to you know just whenever you want to have some change, any career change options also, I think unlike those traditional careers, image consultancy is a beautiful option, is a beautiful career where you can explore your own self, where you can do so many things. It's just not that some specific thing you can only do this. No, like if an engineer is there, or if a chartered accountant is there, if a somebody, you can only do that. But being an image consultant, you can do so many things. You can have students, teachers, professionals. You can do grooming, etiquette, fashion. You can there's so many things to do. And I think this is one of the career where you can explore your own self, you can reinvent your own self, and this has happened with me.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, what is the vision for next 5 years, Bhavdeep?
Ma'am, for next 5 years, I just wish that I'm able to, spread this, my brand of Kohli Finishing in all the basic town of Punjab. And I want also to have its, one of its, my institute here somewhere in Canada. So this is my 5 year plan, where I could help people more, and where I could, help them to reinvent themselves. So these is my future plan.
So, how many students do you get in a year?
Ma'am, in a year, like in a month, it depends on the course, like for example, for my IELTS, and then I train them for the abroad ready program. So I would say for a month, I have like 70 to 80 students are there, whom I train. And then it again depends upon the course, which they want to do.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
But I do a lot of, and other to that, I do a lot of assignments for the different publishers. So I get a lot of assignments for the schools and the colleges, you know, so where I go and train. And I'm also like with my university also I go and train there. So I get a lot of because I was an educationist before that, so I get a lot of work from that education line also.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So one last question to you. I mean, what message would you like to give to those people who are planning to start their second career? Any advice for them?
I would say just go for it. It's a beautiful career where you can, you can learn a new thing, many new things, and you would realize, oh my God, this was also there. This was like when I did my course, I learned so many new things, and I think if you want to take this as a second career or even as your first choice, just go for it. It's a wonderful career option, and you just need to be confident. You just need to be a personality where an extrovert personality, where you want to talk to people, where you want to make good friends, and you want to explore yourself. And yes, this is a career which will give you a new dimension to your life. So I would say just go for it.
All right. Thank you so much, Bhavdeep. This was very, very interesting, and we had a lovely conversation together.
Thank you so much,
And
ma'am.
I wish you all the very best for your endeavor in taking your poly finishing school to another level.
Thank you so much,
And
ma'am.
I'm sure that you're doing a lot of work. And of course, I mean, in Punjab, I mean, you have done something really innovative. And people must be knowing you for the right reasons to, I mean, they must be definitely looking at you as a power woman, of Punjab.
Yes.
So,
So
all the very best.
thank you
I
so
wish
much,
you
ma'am.
all the success. I hope that you had a great time interacting on Spotlight with Suman.
Yes, ma'am. It's a pleasure. It's my top privilege, that I am sharing the screen with you. I've always wanted to meet you while I was doing my course, but now it's again, it's something God
So
has
we
heard.
meet here. We meet virtually, right, during the
Yeah, so we have
pandemic.
met virtually. So it's a dream turned true for me. Thank you very much for this, honor. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. All the very best, and
Thank
thank
you.
you everyone for watching this live session with Bhavdeep Kohli. This is Bhavdeep and Suman Agarwal signing off. Till then, till next week. Please take care, look after yourself, and we'll be back with yet another guest. Thank you so much. All the
Thank
very
you so
best.
much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.